Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about the indices. Okay, grade 7 indices. It is a fifth lesson. Indices is fifth lesson. Okay. Indices. Grade 7. Introduction. Very firstly, you have to know, okay, what is indices. You have to understand, and you have to you have to remember that. Now I am going to write down the general form of indices. Think 2, 3. 2 to the power 3. This is base of these indices. Okay. This is, what is this? Index. Index. Okay. Write down this. Pause the video and write down. Here. Now I am going to write down the examples. 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. This is the examples for indices. Expand and index notation. How to identify this? Think 2 to the power 5. How to expand? This is an index notation. 2, this is a base. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Have you understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 index value. Then base value 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 is the base. Then index value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index notation. Standard index notation. Okay. Write down this. How to write down index notation using words. Have you understand how to write down these index notation using words? Think 2 to the power 4. Just think 2 to the power 4. How to write down? 2 to the power 2. 4. 2 to the power. What is the power value? 4. Base index. 2 to the power 4. Write down this, okay? Push the video and write down. Think as the example. How to write down? Using words. 4 to the power 2. Four to the power 2. 4 to the power 2. Very easy. Write down all of these. Post the video, okay? Post the video and write down all these theories I taught. Point 1. Expressing a number in index notation with a prime number as the base. According to this, you have to use long division and divided by prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? You know about that, okay? Think as the example 60. Now I am going to divide these using the prime numbers. Divide by 2. What happened? 8. Divide by 2. 4. Divide by 2. 2. 2. 1. Then how to write down this? Using indices. Index notation. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 60. And how to write down? This is a base, 2. 2 is the base. Base, sorry. 2 is a base. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an index notation. Base index. Okay, write down this. Example 27 3 9 3 3 3 1. How to write down? 27 is equal 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then 3 to the power 3. 1, 2, 3. Base is 3. Just think the example 18 divided by 2. 9 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. What happened? How to write down? 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 to the power 1. 3 to the power 2. Okay, write down this, okay? 5 by 2. Powers with an algebraic symbol as the base. What is the meaning of algebraic? Simply unknown terms. So I said P, Q, R, like that. Okay? Algebraic unknown terms. Remember that. How to write down? Think x to the power 3. How to expand? X multiplied by x multiplied by x. That is the idea. Same as the general form. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Write down these. Okay, example. 3p to the power 3 q to the power 4. How to expand this? 3 multiplied by p multiplied by p multiplied by p multiplied by q multiplied by q multiplied by q multiplied by q. This is the example. Think 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by p multiplied by me multiplied by q multiplied by x multiplied by x. How to write down this? Using index notation. 3 to the power 2, 1, 2, 3 to the power 2, then 1, 2, p to the power 2, q x to the power 2, then 3 to the power 2, p to the power 2, q x to the power 2. Okay, write down this. Okay. Finding the value of the value find the value of a power by substitution. We have to remember this word. Very important word. ආදේශ කිරීම. I am going to explain using two methods. Method 1, method 2. Okay, think x is equal to 2. Okay, x to the power 4. How to find out? X is equal to, then we can substitute 2 to the power 4. X is equal to, then you can expand. Whatever. 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Then x to the power 4, we can expand x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Then now we can substitute 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then you can obtain 16. Both the same answers. Okay, write down this. Okay. Okay, think this is a final answer, final example. Think 5 x to the power 3 b to the power 2 and x is equal 3 b is equal 2. Then how to find out the value? 5 multiplied by what? 3 to the power 3. X is equal 3. X is equal 3 and 3 to the power 3. Just 3. Then multiply, put the brackets, b is equal to 2 to the power 2. Then you can obtain 5, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. What happened? What is the answer? 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 15 multiplied by 3, 45. 45 multiplied by 2, what? 90. 90 multiplied by 2, 180. 180. This is the answer. You have to substitute. Write down like this and this. This is a step 2. Step 1 is step 2. Expand the idea. Then find out the value. Very easy. I think you can understand about the indices. Okay, this is the basic idea, and I already explained about the indices, how to solve a problem. Okay, now you can try textbooks as activities, then you can understand well about this lesson. This is very easy. You have to improve your multiplication knowledge. Okay, you have to do that. Okay, thank you for watching.